If you've been seeing crypto news everywhere and want to understand but feeling overwhelmed, don't worry, you're not alone and I got you. I researched for hours so that you don't have to. And if I were to go back in time to explain cryptocurrency to newbie me again, this is the curriculum I would use. It's broken into 3 main parts: what, why, and how. Before we get into any of the complicated stuff, I'll explain what common crypto terms mean. And at this point, if you still don't get it, don't worry, because you're not supposed to. That's why we get into the how. This is where we'll get into how this all works so you get a deeper understanding of the new technology and how to start trading. And then we'll get into the why. This part will answer most common troubleshooting questions when it comes to crypto trading, and at this point, you should be knowledgeable enough to start dipping your toes into trading if you want to. The video's already up, so go give that a look. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, to go from total noob to crypto queen, follow along to join our journey.